So Insta360 has released a new 360 camera, and this time it's a really special one because it directly attaches onto the drone that you already own, which opens up lots of possibilities. 360-degree videos are already cool, but what if you attach a 360-degree camera on your drone? I have been checking the footage of this camera, and you can already see the Sphere 360 camera can capture really mind-bending shots. If you have seen the Inception movie, very closely resemble to that kind of shots, since you are capturing like both of the angles from the top view and the bottom view as well. You can do some pretty crazy stuff. You can see the bridges are kind of holding together like this. That's really cool. And you can see buildings are attached onto the top and bottom side. Honestly, this looks kind of confusing and interesting at the same time. Whoa, just check out that plane. Oh my god, I can see the top view as well as bottom view. Isn't that crazy? Whoa, just check this out. If you don't know how they shot this footage, it looks like they have done lots of post-editing work right there, but this is shot with a drone camera. Okay, running onto the buildings and that kind of stuff. But yeah, you can see this angle is pretty epic. You can see it's jumping from that building onto this one. And we got the classic Inception shot right over here where both worlds collide. Now let me show you how it actually works. It simply attaches onto the drone that you already own. This design is kind of interesting to me because you can see the first camera is facing upwards and there is a second camera as well, which both of the cameras are separate units. And a clear benefit of that is they can hide the drone from the 360 video recording. This is like a clipping structure, simple enough, like it's got the built-in memory card and battery and everything. You just hook it up to your drone and fly it. So once you shot the 360 video, you can choose to point the camera angles later on when you are editing the video. In the demo, they showed it's shooting at 5.7K at 30 FPS 360 video. I really like the workflow. You simply fly the drone and you are basically getting all the angles 360 degrees, and later on while you are editing the video, you can choose the portions and you can choose the angles of the video. You can do the framing and it's pretty cool. So they also got some stabilization action going on. They got new FlowState Stabilization, so it's gonna be really super smooth video. They are flying the drone up high and then coming back to the ground, and just with that kind of shots, they are getting this kind of a crazy shots right there. And the most important thing is you got a 360 video with 5.7K resolution. With a standard setup, the drone is visible, but Insta360's technology, their implementation is hiding the drone seamlessly. So that's a really neat application or software interface right there. So truly you are getting a clean 360 video right there. With the Insta360's editor, you can correct the angle of the video. Also you can set a particular view of the footage, and it's pretty epic. They got really powerful editing tools and they got some really amazing editing tools, so you can truly see what kind of shots you can get with this camera. I'm totally blown away by this Inception kind of a looking shot. You just fly the drone up high in the sky and land the drone again, and you can see the shot is pretty epic. This camera doesn't interfere with the drone's GPS signal, so you can truly have a peace of mind while you are flying the drone. It also got 360 lens guard, and you can safely take off and land with their included landing pad. Right now it's compatible with Mavic Air 2 and Mavic Air 2S. Runtime is about 48 minutes. You can do 5.7K or you can do 4K. It can do 5.7K at 30, 25 and 24. You can do 4K at 50 frames per second or 30 FPS. And if you want to do slow-mo, you can do 3K at 100 frames per second. So that's a really neat one. Video bitrate is 100 Mbps and it's got 1050 milliamps per hour battery. So these are the accessories that you'll get. You got the Insta360 Sphere battery, a lens cap, a sticky lens guard, then you get landing pad, charging cable, a lens cloth, and a 64 gigabytes of memory card. If you are looking to purchase this one, links are given in the description below. Check this out. You can check it out. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to hit that 100K goal, guys. We are really close. And this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.